In this video, we will teach you how to clean an uncircumcised penis. 1. Gently pull back the foreskin to expose the head of the penis. 2. Wash the penis, the groin, and the folds of the foreskin with warm water. 3. Make sure to get every nook and cranny of the foreskin clean, so that smegma will not accumulate. 4. You can also use mild and unscented soap to further clean the penis. 4. But excessive use of it may dry up the foreskin and skin of penile shaft. 5. With a soft towel, pat dry the head of the penis and gently put the foreskin back over the glands. 6. Remember not forcibly pull back the foreskin from the penis head as it may cause bleeding, scarring, and excruciating pain. Additional tips on how to clean the penis. Avoid using powders on your penis as much as possible. When the foreskin is present, powder can settle and accumulate under the foreskin and cause irritation and pain. It is safe to apply powder on a circumcised penis as long as it is a cornstarch-based powder. Be mindful not to put powder on the urethra or the opening of the penis to prevent any discomfort. Wash your hands before and after touching your penis to prevent harmful agents from colonizing it. Always wear freshly cleaned underwear. When your underwear is not properly washed, the detergent or any cleaning agent residue could cause skin discomfort. Washing your penis after sex with warm water and mild soap gets rid of all the bodily fluids, lubricants, and oils accumulated on the penis after engaging in sexual activity. Peeing after intercourse cleans the urethra and eliminates harmful bacteria that can cause urinary tract infection. Key takeaways. Ensuring that your genitals are clean is not only for your health and safety, but for your sexual partners as well. Following the tips on how to clean the penis supports overall health. If you have other concerns about reproductive health, don't be reluctant in consulting a medical expert. Thanks for watching.